Hello people, I'm Extreme today with you, and today I'm going to tell you how to use a sleep tracker. Part 1. Choosing and using a sleep tracker. Number 1. Download a sleep tracking app for your phone. Number 2. Use a fitness tracker or smartwatch. Number 3. Understand the benefits and limits of accelerometer-based trackers. Number 4. Watch for new developments in sleep trackers. Part 2. Evaluating and results. Number 1. Know the basics of sleep patterns. Number 2. Use sleep trackers as a guide, not a diagnostic tool. And finally, number 3. Consider a professional sleep analysis by polysomnography.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, it's absolutely free. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share many more times, and if you have any question or which type of video you prefer, mention in the comment section. Thank you.